Dear students, today I am taking a fifth lesson in GSE. This chapter is named Soil. In this lesson, we will learn about formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, and soil profile, soil erosion, and soil conservation. The first page of this lesson is an activity which you can do easily. Next, we move on to the topic. First, we discuss about formation of soil. Big pieces of rocks are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. This process is called weathering. Wherever the fine powder known as sand. Sand mixes with the remaining dead plants and animals and minerals, soil is formed. The dead plants and animals called humus. Thus, soil is defined as the top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it. Soil is very important for life on earth. Plants mostly grow in soil. They produce food and give out oxygen, which is needed by humans and animals to stay alive. Soil is also home to many insects and animals. Next, composition of soil. Soil is made up of different types of soil particles. First, sand. These are the largest soil particles. Then silt. Those particles are smaller than sand particle but bigger than clay particle. Last, clay. Those are the smallest soil particles. Other than those, soil also contain small stones and pebbles called gravel, minerals and humus. Soil also contains some amount of air and water. Then, types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil, depending on the amount of different soil particle present in it. They are sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. First, we discuss about sandy soil. This soil has a greater proportion of sand particles. Sandy soil feels rough and gritty and is non-sticky when wet. It does not hold much water than drains most of it. Next, clayey soil. This soil has a greater proportion of clay particles. Clayey soil feels smooth and dry and lumpy and sticky when wet. Next, loamy soil. This soil has almost the same amount of sand, clay and silt. Loamy soil is the best soil for growing plants. It is rich in nutrients and humus and allows water to pass through easily. Then, what is soil profile? Soil profile refers to the layers of soil. See the picture shown in your textbook, page number 58. In the picture, these layers have been named A, B and C. A is the top soil. It is the uppermost layer of soil and contains fine particles of sand, clay, humus, water and air. B is called the subsoil. It is the middle layer of soil present below the topsoil and contains broken pieces of rocks. C is called the bedrock. It is the bottom layer of soil and is quite deep inside the earth. It has large pieces of rocks. Then we discuss about soil erosion. Topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus. Strong winds and water wash away the loose topsoil. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Strong winds, heavy rainfall, and cutting down of trees increases soil erosion. Then, what is soil conservation? Plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. There are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. First, more number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Second, trees and bushes should be planted in open lands. This practice does not allow the wind to blow full force and take away the topsoil. Third, flowing water can easily wash away a lot of topsoil. Dams should be built across a river to prevent floods. Then, important keywords. Soil. The top layer of the earth's surface, which consists of sand, remains of dead plants and animals, and minerals with some amount of water and air in it, is called soil. Next, soil erosion. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water is called soil erosion. Last, soil conservation. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation.